guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video with thermal aura effect on CapCut Apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut Apps and click New Project. Add the video that you want to add thermal aura effect, this one, and click Add at the bottom. Now I want to show you this is the original video like this. Now I wanna add a thermal aura. At the bottom you just click on the effect, click body effect, and in the menu you can click body, this one, and in here you can see two thermal aura effect. This is thermal aura effect 1. This is thermal aura effect 2. Yeah, you can choose you wanna thermal aura effect 1 or effect 2, but I wanna choose thermal aura effect 1, this one, and click check icon. Now you can adjust a thermal aura effect. Just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust a thermal aura effect, and you can adjust the filter thermal aura effect. And now you can click check icon at the bottom and set the effect until the end of the video like this. Finish. Now you can add a thermal aura effect on CapCut Apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.